Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. The Prophet of mankind, the peace of our heart and mind, the most generous and kind, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam has said, on the day of judgment, there will be no shade except the shade of the throne of Allah Azza wa Jal. Three categories of people will be in the shade of that throne. He, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, was asked, Ya Rasulullah, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, who will they be? The beloved Prophet, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, replied, the one who removes the worry from my ummah, and the one who revives my sunnah, and the one who recites salat abundantly upon me. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam.